I'm going to show you guys the absolute best AI text to song. Now let's see how it works. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to Suno.ai. And when you get here, you're going to go ahead and click on try the beta on Discord. So if you have Discord, you're good to go. If you don't have Discord, make sure you download it and set up an account. It's completely free to do that. So we'll click on that and then you'll get this invite. Now, go ahead and click on accept invite. When you do that, you'll be brought into their room on Discord, okay? Now, when you get to their welcome page, you can start by just following their directions. So it says start a direct message with Suno Chirpbot, or you can go to one of these channels here, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and click on @Suno Chirpbot. And as you can see right here, it says message @Suno Chirpbot. So just go ahead and press /chirp. And when you do that, you will be brought into the direct messages with the Suno Chirpbot. And now to create a song, it's as simple as just typing in /chirp. Now, when you do that, it's going to say make a song from lyrics. So we have to input some lyrics for a song. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on my Harpa extension. If you guys don't have Harpa AI, make sure you check out my video on Harpa. This tool is amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and tell Harpa to create me some lyrics for a song. Now, I know you guys have been seeing what's going on in Israel and Palestine right now. So I'm just going to tell it to make me lyrics for a rap song in the style of Tupac. So just like that, Harpa has written the lyrics to an entire song based on the little prompt that I provided of the pain and suffering of the Palestinian children. Let's go ahead and copy these lyrics that Harpa has written for us. Now that we have the lyrics, come back over to Suno. We're going to go ahead and paste in the lyrics and we're going to hit enter. Now, the first time that you use Suno, it's going to tell you to accept the terms of service. So just go ahead and click accept, and that's only going to happen on the first time that you use this tool. Now right here we have some options. It's going to say describe the type of music. So I'm going to say a rap song in the style of Tupac. Now it says enter your own lyrics. So we're going to go ahead and paste in our lyrics, or you can have ChatGPT make lyrics for you straight through the Suno Chirpbot. So since we have our lyrics, I'm just going to go ahead and paste them in. And now as you can see, I'm not able to get the whole song in at once. Okay, so see how it doesn't even finish the first line of verse 2? I'm just going to go ahead and delete that part. Now I'm going to show you how we can create the entire song. Don't you worry. Now that we put our lyrics in, we're just going to go ahead and click submit. All right, guys, now as you can see, you're going to have two different options and two variations that it will create for you. So let's go ahead and take a look and figure out which variation we like best.
Yo, let me take you to a place where the pain resides, where Palestinian children struggle, their tears they can't hide. In the heart of the Gaza Strip, where the streets are torn, where innocence is lost and their dreams are worn. Racing the shadows of conflict, it's all they've known. Innocence stolen as their future's overthrown. In the land of resistance where they suffered for years, Palestinian children drowning in their own tears. In the land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines, Palestinian children caught in these troubled times. They deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the hate behind.
All right, so that was the first option. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the second variation, and then we'll choose which one we like best.
Yo, let me take you to a place where the pain resides, where Palestinian children struggle, their tears they can't hide. In the heart of the Gaza Strip, where the streets are torn, where innocence is lost and their dreams are worn. Raised in the shadows of conflict, it's all they've known. Innocence stolen as their future's overthrown. In the land of resistance where they suffered for years, Palestinian children drowning in their own tears. In the land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines, Palestinian children caught in these troubled times. They deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the hate behind.
All right, guys, so that's the two variations. Now you would go ahead and choose which one it is you like the best. And if you don't like either one of them, you're going to go ahead and click on this button right here and it'll generate two new variations. So in order to create our entire song, what you want to do is go ahead and click on continue one, since I like the first one better. So I'll click on continue one, and then we're going to paste in the next set of lyrics, which will be verse 2. So let's continue the song. And what you want to do is just leave the genre blank, okay? That way it's going to match up to the first part of the song, okay? So we copied the second verse and the chorus, and let's go ahead and paste that in, and we'll submit that. Now the second verse and the chorus are done. So let's take a listen to the two different variations, and again, we'll choose one that we like best.
They walk through rubble, broken dreams under their feet, hoping for a day when their struggles will retreat. Surviving in a war zone, it's a constant fight, but they're resilient, holding on to their light. Tupac once said, we gotta make a change. Let's stand together, break the chains, rearrange the world's perception of the children who bleed. Innocence lost, yet they plant hope like a seed in the land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines. Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace.
All right, not bad, not bad. Now let's take a listen to the second variation, and we'll see which one we like best.
They walk the rubble, broken dreams under their feet, hoping for a day when their struggles will retreat. Surviving in a war zone, it's a constant fight, but they're resilient, holding on to their light. Tupac once said, we gotta make a change. Let's stand together, break the chains, rearrange the world's perception of the children who bleed. Innocence lost, yet they plant hope like a seed in the land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines. Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the hate behind.
All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie, neither one of them was that bad. I think they were pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the second variation. I think I like that one a little bit better. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you think I made the wrong choice on that. But we're gonna go ahead and continue on the second variation. So we'll click continue to, and now we are gonna paste in the last part of our song. So we're gonna go ahead with verse 3 and the chorus, and maybe we can get that outro in there. So again, we're gonna leave that genre section blank, and let's go in and paste this. So we got the verse 3, we got the chorus. We were almost able to get that outro in there. All right, so since we couldn't get that whole outro in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that outro, and we'll go ahead and click submit one more time. And after this, our whole entire song will be created from AI. And I'm not gonna lie, this is absolutely the best text to song generator I have ever came across. All right, guys, our last verse is created. Let's go ahead and take a listen and figure out which one it is we're gonna go with, and we're gonna finish up by stitching all three verses together and creating the entire song. But first, let's figure out which variation we want to use as the third verse.
They believe the way, we can't ignore the pain, the suffering they face. Innocent lives lost in this never-ending race. Let's talk about their stories, let the world unite. Seize the burdens, bring their dreams into sight. Tupac's legacy lives on, in his spirit we confide. He stood for justice, so let's be on the right side of history and uplift the Palestinian youth. Give them a chance to shine, reveal the hidden truth. The land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines. Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace.
All right, it was all right, but it seemed like it was like kind of falling off at the end there, you know. I don't know, it kind of sounded like he was going off beat at the end. So let's take a listen to the second variation, and hopefully this one's a little bit better.
We can't ignore the pain, the suffering they face. Innocent lives lost in this never-ending race. Let's talk about their stories, let the world unite. To ease their burdens, bring their dreams into sight. Tupac's legacy lives on, in his spirit we confide. He stood for justice, so let's be on the right side of history and uplift the Palestinian youth. Give them a chance to shine, reveal the hidden truth. The land of the oppressed, where the sun rarely shines. Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the hate behind.
All right, guys, so what do you think? Should I go with variation 1, or should I go with variation 2, or should I try it again? I kind of want to try it again. So if you don't like either version that it gives you, let's just go ahead and click on this blue button right here to regenerate 2 new options. Okay, let's get 2 new options going. I wasn't really feeling either one of those, I'm not gonna lie, and hopefully the chirp bot comes correct. So let's see what it's got this time. All right, guys, here we go. Hopefully these 2 variations are a little bit better, and hopefully they're a little bit more on beat. Sound like the robot was going off beat. Come on now, we gotta bring it back.
We can't ignore the pain, the suffering they face. Innocent lives lost in this never-ending race. Let's talk about their stories, let the world unite. To ease their burdens, bring their dreams into sight. Tupac's legacy lives on, in his spirit we confide. He stood for justice, so let's be on the right side of history and uplift the Palestinian youth. Give them a chance to shine, reveal the hidden truth. In the land of the oppressed, where the sun really shines, Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the hate.
Man, if only the beat dropped again on that chorus. I don't know why the whole beat went off on the whole chorus. Come on, Suno. Give us something good on this last one. I don't want to have to regenerate again. Let's go.
We can't ignore the pain, the suffering they face. Innocent lives lost in this never-ending race. Let's talk about their stories, let the world unite. To ease their burdens, bring their dreams into sight. Tupac's legacy lives on, in the spirit we confide. He stood for justice, so let's be on the right side of history and uplift the Palestinian youth. Give them a chance to shine, reveal the hidden truth. In the land of the oppressed, where the sun really shines, Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave the
There you go, guys, and that's gonna be it. I'm going with the last variation. Okay, what do we do when we're at the final part of the song? Okay, we're going with this second one. So do we hit continue 2? No, we don't hit continue 2 because we're done making this song. So what we do is we hit the heart for number 2. It's gonna stitch together the first verse that we did. It's gonna stitch together the second verse that we chose, and it's going to stitch together the third one to create that entire song. So let's go ahead and click on the heart 2, and we'll let the Suno chirp bot get the full clip. You see that right there? It's getting the full clip. Just like that. There you go. We got the entire song.
Yo, let me take you to a place where the pain resides, where Palestinian children struggle, their tears they can't hide. In the heart of the Gaza Strip, where the streets are torn, where innocence is lost and their dreams are worn. Racing the shadows of conflict, it's all they've known. Innocence stolen as their future's overthrown. In the land of resistance where they suffered for years, Palestinian.
And that's it, guys. Just like that, we created an entire song with AI, and that was fire. I don't know about you, but that's crazy. I mean, what did that take us? A couple minutes, and we got a hit record just like that, and we didn't even have to record a single word ourselves. All we did was put in some text, and we didn't even write the lyrics. Okay, and let me tell you something. I believe you get 250 tokens, however they consider it, which ends up to equaling about 25 chirps, which means you get 25 clips. Okay, so that's about 8 songs per month that you get to generate completely for free. This tool is amazing, and like I said, they might make me end up spending some money on this tool. This would be about the only one that I ever even considered spending money on. Anyways, guys, go to Suno.ai, download their Discord, and start creating songs with AI for free. And that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day or night or whatever it is. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
In the land of the oppressed, where the sun really shines, Palestinian children caught in these troubled times, they deserve a brighter future where their hopes can align. Let's spread love and peace and leave that